everyone. Hope you're off to a great start to your week. Happy Monday to you. Hope you made it through this rainy, gloomy Monday. We had a very good day in the classroom, and I just want to share our weekly objectives with you and then give you a few important dates. So make sure you hang on to the end of this video. All right, I'm going to run through the objectives pretty quickly for you. This week in science, we are going to be using words and pictures to describe things. You can see the example there is a ladybug with a yellow flower. We are going to be describing rock, sand, and silt as we continue that unit. Of course, we're going to be analyzing our data and experiments with lots of important scientific language and using many different tools to do so. In social studies, we're going to be focusing on how we ask good questions. So questions from what to where, when, why, and how. We're going to be making sure we're listening to our peers as well as our teachers so we can learn from them. And we're also going to be talking about historical figures. Specifically, we're going to be learning about Black history. So make sure you check out that Friday folder on Friday so you can see which important historical figures we're going to be learning about this week. In math, we are talking about the differences between defining attributes and non-defining attributes. We are building and drawing shapes as well as identifying three-dimensional shapes, and we're going to be using some three-dimensional shapes to build some really cool structures. We're going to be talking about which strategies to use to solve addition and subtraction word problems, and we're going to be doing a little bit of data collection and interpretation on Thursday with our VaLeNTinEs activities. In writing, we're talking about spelling rules such as listening for sounds as well as using those vowel teams or digraphs that we know so well and using our word wall. We're going to be writing informational pieces. So we're really focusing on naming topics, describing that topic with lots of facts and details, and then providing a sense of closure. We're remembering the important parts of sentences, capitalization and punctuation, as well as I had kind of inferred a minute ago, adding details to strengthen our writing. And so we're really picking apart our person, places, things, events, or ideas, all those things that make up informational pieces of writing, and we're going to be working on expanding our thoughts with details. And finally, in reading, we're going to be talking about strategies we can use to help read grade level text with lots of accuracy, appropriate rate, and expression. That's that fluency juice I showed you last week. We're going to be using that. We're going to be decoding words with consonant blends. That's our phonics strategy this week. We're going to be asking and answering questions about key details in informational nonfiction books. And we're going to be talking about the difference between books that tell stories and books that give information. All right, and then the last thing I bet you really want to know, if you've checked out your homeschool connection, is the important date coming up for Boosterthon. So if you're watching this video, thank you. Your son or daughter will get a little something. And the date you want to know is March 8th. Is our Boosterthon run. So if you'll write that on your Tuesday block on our homeschool connection, I'll make sure your child gets a little prize here in class. So thanks for watching this newsletter, and I hope you have a fabulous week. Any questions, please let me know. Don't forget, Thursday's Valentine's Day, so make sure you send those Valentines in and that Valentine's mailbox. I can't wait to see how creative you've gotten. Talk to you soon. Bye.